Did you hear him come in?
No.
You didn't hear him?
I was sound asleep, crying.
You were crying.
Oh, and I didn't want you guys to come because then Santa wouldn't come because he could see you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Come here, I gotta tell you something.
No, he I just need to look in something.
Where? What do you need to look at?
I'm just looking.
Oh, you can open your stockings. That's always the rule. You can open them before anyone gets here.
Daddy, help me.
Help you?
No.
Rip it open.
Oh, a Christmas party.
What is it?
Thank you, Santa.
Just her stocking stuffers.
Cute.
I can't get both of you in.
Don't have to get me.
Oh, you got a notepad?
Yay. Not yet. Nail polish.
What color? What do you think? I think it's